My name's Tony Korman. I'm president of Korman Development, Inc. We're a land use business that does entitlements, acquisitions, and construction, development of properties in mostly Northern California.
2030?
We met in 2030, back in probably early 90s, early 1990s. At that time, Rob was with Weeks Drilling, and through a course of events over the years, we worked together on several projects where we were trying to find water in very obscure locations, mostly very mountainous, rugged locations, and finding water, fresh water, was a big deal. And we had spent thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars with hydrogeologists and other scientists trying to identify locations for fresh water, and without luck. And so I'd known Rob through 2030 and through Weeks, and we got to talking one day, and he said, hey, you know, I'm a dowser and a water witcher, and I can find water. And I was skeptical. I mean, I knew the concept, I was familiar with the concept, but I was very skeptical about it. But I figured at this point we really had nothing to lose. And so we went up on these properties, and Rob, we went all over 1,200 acres, and Rob identified 5 locations across well over 1,000 acres on hillside. And we brought in drill rigs, and we drilled 5 holes, and we got water out of 5 holes. And so as time went on, we worked on other projects, working on another winery up in Alexander Valley. Once again, you need a lot of water for a winery. And so again, I called Rob. He came up there. We walked across a 150-acre property, said, put a stake in the ground, drill a well right here. And we drilled a well right there, and we pushed over 1,000 gallons a minute out of that well.
Oh, gosh.
So, you know, I've got nothing but success from this guy. And I'm completely convinced he has a gift that I don't fully understand, but it's been well proven for me. I was skeptical, as I stated, but it's been proven to me, clearly, without a doubt, that there is something that I do not comprehend, I do not understand, but all I know is that we put 6 holes in the ground on 2 different properties, and we extracted water from every single one. And I don't mean, you know, 50 or 100 gallons a minute. I mean 500,000-600,000 gallons a minute wells. So they were at varying depth, but my suggestion is that if you are in a situation where you have not been successful in locating a viable freshwater source on a piece of property, regardless of topography, that I would highly recommend that you call this guy, email this guy, find this guy, and get him out on your property, because I feel very confident that you will be successful.